Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm going to teach you how to make these cool looking succulents using pumpkins, mini pumpkins, pom-poms, and a mini terracotta pot. This DIY is perfect for those who still have pumpkins laying around, well, mini pumpkins, or for those who are having a hard time looking for something to do with mini pumpkins. The materials for this DIY are a 2.75 inch or 3 inch diameter terracotta pot, a paintbrush, pom-poms, green paint, and a mini pumpkin. You are also going to want to get some glue because you will need it. Clear or white glue is fine. For the first step, you're going to want to paint the whole pumpkin green. You're also going to want to paint half of the pumpkin first, that way you can let it dry, and then you can paint the other half. Once you're done painting the whole pumpkin, you're going to see that you might have some little streaks here and there. And for this part, you can decide whether or not you want to add another coat of paint, or you can simply leave it like this. Once you have painted it green, you're going to get your terracotta pot, and you're going to place the pumpkin on top, upside down, like this. The last part of this project is to glue 4 pom-poms together right here in the middle of the pumpkin. Once you have glued down the pom-poms, you're going to wait a while for these to dry, and that should be it. Once it is done drying, you are now able to use this as a decoration. If you ended up using the round pumpkin, this is how it's going to look like. Thank you guys so much for watching this video of me showing you how to make these really cool and adorable looking succulents using mini pumpkins. I hope you liked this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye y'all!